tell you about the 2020 annual conference sponsored by the American Society of Clinical Hypnosis. I've been honored to join forces with my colleagues George Glazer and Moshe Terem as co-chairs of the advanced workshops of the meeting. And boy, we have some wonderful advanced workshops for you this year. I'm particularly excited that Bernhard Trankel is coming all the way in from Germany, who's going to be talking about his experience with his own colleague, Bertrand Piccard, who circled the globe in a solar plane. We're also going to have a wonderful creative presentation by our newly elected president, Anita Jung. She'll be talking about musical rhythm, how to integrate music in medical and therapeutic hypnosis. We're also going to have Dave Patterson, who's one of our leading experts in pain and neurophysiology and social psychology. I'm going to be teaching you about anxiety and specifically how to integrate mindfulness, cognitive behavioral therapy with hypnosis. And a special treat for all of us is that Bill O'Hanlon, my friend and colleague, is not only going to be a keynote speaker, but he's going to be playing a concert at the gala. We're really in for a treat. One big advantage of this meeting is it's in Reno, which is right next door to Lake Tahoe, one of the most beautiful spots in the United States. I'll be there. I hope to see you as well. If you wish to get more information, contact the ASCH office. Their email is info@asch.org.